getting in, they're all in. And they're away and racing for the Enlightenment plate. Slowing to the stride is Finest Moment. And as the field settles down, On Fleek on the outside from Zanzibar, close to the rails, passing them in the center as they pass the 1400-meter marker is Igus Tiger. Very close behind is the Star Scholar, Daydreamer. Kookaburra is up on the outside, making a forward move. Then there's Book Thief, Trombone on the outside, Finest Moment. Past the 1200-meter marker now with the Igus Tiger has broken away into a 4.5 length lead over Star Scholar. Zanzibar settled back in third with 1,000 to go. Length and a quarter behind is On Fleek, another 3.5 length behind is Kookaburra. On the outside is Finest Moment, then there's Trombone, Daydreamer, second last. Length and a half behind at the back of the field is Book Thief. With half a mile remaining, it's Igus Tiger, length and a half in front of Zanzibar, making headway in the second spot. Up on the outside is Star Scholar. Then there's On Fleek making a quick forward move. They are now at the 600. After that, there is the Finest Moment. Trombone is improving down in the center. Then there's Kookaburra. After that is Book Thief in the center. Daydreamer is a close last. They're negotiating the turn now with Igus Tiger comes in on first from Zanzibar in second spot. After that, there is On Fleek. Book Thief is now been asked for an effort. After that, there is Trombone, but Zanzibar has gone to the front. It's a length and a half in front of Book Thief. After that is On Fleek and Trombone on the stand side, but Zanzibar is about 2.5 lengths ahead. Zanzibar winning this one quite easily from On Fleek, Book Thief. After that is Trombone, Igus Tiger, Daydreamer, Kookaburra, Finest Moment, second last. Last of all is Star Scholar.